Okay, so to speed this one up, I went ahead and just opened all the cards here. It's a 3-pack, same way as the last one, 45 cards, 9 puzzle pieces. Got the body and the legs puzzle pieces, which is kind of nice. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. All right. So let's go. Sid Bream, Brian Holman. I feel like this year, not exactly gonna be anything special. Could still find some big names. Spoke too soon. It's awesome. Another Bo Jackson. Gary Sheffield. I mean, I don't know how valuable those are, but they are big names. Sandy Alomar, second season, since I got the rookie. Or unless that's not junior. It is junior. So yeah, second year. Maybe third now. I can't remember the year of the last one. Kipper. MVP apparently. Don't know that name. But I'll have to check that one out. John Olerud. I remember that name. Tim McIntosh. Rookie. Don't know. Steve Decker. Rookie. Don't know. John Wetland. No, I know that name. Let's hold that one off. Dr. Dirt and Mr. Clean. What is this? Len Dykstra and Dale Murphy. Okay. That might be something. Jose Canseco, always good. Ricky Henderson, always good. And it's an MVP year. Well, I guess the previous year would have been. Checklist. Guess the MVP doesn't mean anything unless it looks like that. Kurt Young, Nunez, Guetta, Paul Merrick, rookie. All right, that's not bad.